what's up guys? Welcome to Tech on Code that you might have known as Asking for the NG but has taken on a refined identity as Tech on Code. I'm your very humble presenter, Precious, as you already know, and today I'll be getting my hands on the TECNO Camon 16 Premier. You see, I'm very excited about unboxing this device because it's very different from what we're used to with Tecno phones, but I won't be too forward. Let's just go straight into ripping open the box and I'll share my first impressions with you. Stay tuned. On opening the box, you're greeted with a two-hued mini box that contains the warranty card, as always, and a protective silicone case that has the Manchester City logo on it. The case has cuts and openings at the USB port, headphone jacks, volume keys, and everywhere appropriate. And then, there's the phone itself in a paper wrap highlighting the specifications of the phone. Like it says, the phone comes with a 64MP ultra-quad camera, 48MP dual front camera with ultra-wide angle selfie camera, and there's the super video mode, ultra night portrait powered, and 6.9-inch screen, which isn't small by the way, with dual dot-in display and 33 watts flash charge, all of which we'll come to in our review proper. In the box is also the charging brick and Type-C charging cable, which both have orange accents. The earphones with silver hints at strategic places that make it look really sophisticated, and the SIM card ejection tool. Now, let's peel this off to unveil the sleek glacier silver colored phone, which is most likely going to be the only color the TECNO Camon 16 Premier will come in. Well, that's what the website says anyways. It is bright, catchy, and just generally packs a relaxing feel to it. With the fancy blue color catching all your attention, it's pretty impossible to not notice the new look 64-megapixel camera with quad camera setup and quintuplet set flashlights. On the left side is the port that houses a tray which carries two 4G LTE nano SIMs and a SD card, while the right side holds the volume and power button, which is interestingly also the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom is the normal USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, and speaker. I'll power this on real quick, but in the meantime, meet the really big 6.9-inch full high definition plus in plane switching liquid crystal display with 9.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen also houses a dual camera, which is new from TECNO. Now that I've given the device the once over, catch up with the review proper and get more details. The aesthetic of the phone is one I'm becoming a sucker for. The glacier silver color glistens and its sky blue type gradient is really soft and cool. If you're particular about how your phone looks like I am, you just might not need to hide your phone in its casing. TECNO, cocky as they are, knew this, so they put a transparent silicone pouch to keep your phone safe and exhibit its look at the same time. The back of the phone is actually made from plastic, but they did a good job of making it look like aluminium and glass to contribute to its sophisticated look. It is also prone to having fingerprint smudges, but aside that, the design is it for me. The square camera is something that is new with TECNO, and I must say that I like it, especially compared to the Camon 15 setup. It's quite weighty, but there's really no surprises there. You get used to it after a few months of use. And its 6.9-inch length might restrain the comfort of grasping it in one hand. On the front of the camera is a dual dot-in display, which is also new to TECNO, but like a lot of their recent phones, the bezels are thin with a slight bulge at the bottom. In a bid to test the 90Hz refresh rate the phone has, I played a game and it was a fair enough swift experience. Swiping and scrolling is also sharp, but I would advise you stick to using 60Hz on the phone to save your battery. The phone runs on Android 10, which would have been the latest operating system prior to the debut of the Android 11, but it has HIOS to support it. And mind you, HIOS now offers a better experience than it used to. Swipe from up to down to reveal the notification bar and you realize you can do a number of things, including activating dark mode on your phone. Where storage is concerned, it has 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage, which is huge. You can go a long time without bothering about a congested storage space or external storage. It comes with all the necessary security systems, including face unlock, and the response rate is impressive for the fingerprint. It comes with a 4500 mAh battery with a 33-watt fast charger. The battery should last you 2 days, but as time goes on and you load more files on it, it should go a full day. It offers the MediaTek Helio G90T 2.0 GHz Octa-Core CPU, which contributes to the fast gaming experience the phone offers. The Camon 16 Premier, which is a flagship phone of the Camon 16 series, comes at the price of 115,000 naira 800. Is the phone worth your buy? Let's take a couple of pictures with the front and back camera before we make a judgment. The back camera houses a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 MP ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel low light, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Here's what pictures with the camera look like. For the front camera, it's a 48 MP main selfie and 8 MP ultra wide selfie camera, and I explored it in all light situations. Here's what the pictures taken with the selfie camera looks like. The picture from the back and front cameras get larger after every shot because of the Sony IMX686 sensor that contributes to pixel binning. This simply means the picture becomes 4 times bigger in resolution and it lets in more lights and high quality. This goes on to say that I'm very pleased with my pictures. All being equal, I think this is a really good shot from TECNO. Although the price falls to the high side, it still beats a few other phones that are also relatively high-end. It does have a similar look to the Infinix 08, but compared to that, it's a more sophisticated and carefully designed version. Although I keep hoping the ads will disappear with every new series released, the Camon 16 Premier is definitely an ideal 2020 TECNO phone. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really takes a lot to make this video, so I'll much appreciate if you give thumbs up too. See you guys on the next one. Bye.